Okay class, good morning. So our topic for today is about Module 3C, which is differentiating geometric sequence from an arithmetic sequence. So ang objective natin ngayon is to differentiate geometric sequence from an arithmetic sequence. Umpisahan muna natin sa ating review part. So you have learned from the previous topics that arithmetic sequence is a form of sequence in which each term after the first is obtained by adding a constant value called the common difference. So ang arithmetic sequence, alam natin na nag-add lang tayo ng common difference, yung constant value na tinatawag natin na common difference na denoted by letter D. Wherein, ang geometric sequence naman is a form of sequence in which each term after the first is obtained by multiplying a constant value called the common ratio R. So, ang pagkakaiba ng arithmetic sequence, makuha natin yan by adding the common difference D, and then, sa geometric sequence naman is multiplying the common ratio R. Then, you can see below some examples of arithmetic sequence which with each common difference and geometric sequences with each common ratio. Okay. So, dito sa ating arithmetic sequence, so here are some examples of our arithmetic sequence. So, bakit nga ba siya naging arithmetic sequence? Kasi kukunin natin ang kanyang, kung makuha natin ang kanyang common difference, so second minus the first, third minus the second, and fourth minus the third. So 31 minus 21 is 10, 41 minus 31 is 10, 51 minus 41 is 10. So ang common difference din dito ay 10. Kaya siya, kung mapansin natin, ang kanyang common difference ay palaging 10. Kaya siya arithmetic sequence. How about letter B? So 24 minus 28. So that is negative 4. 20 minus 24 is negative 4. And 16 minus 20 is also negative 4. So ang ating common difference here is negative 4. Now, how about letter C? So 0 becomes 1/3. So kukunin natin ang kanyang common difference. 1/3 minus 0 is 1/3. 2/3 minus 1/3 is 1/3. 1 minus 2/3 is 1/3. And 4/3 minus 1 is 1/3. So, ang common difference natin dito is 1/3. How about letter D? So, negative 21 minus negative 5. So, that is negative 21 minus negative 5. So, ganito ang mangyayari niyan. So, negative 21 minus negative 15. Yan. So, therefore, ang ating common difference is equal to negative 21, and then negative becomes positive na. So, that is 15. So, ang ating answer is negative 6. So, negative 27 minus 21 is also negative 6. Negative 33 minus negative 27 is also negative 6. So, kung lahat sila ay pare-pareho ang kanyang difference, therefore, that is an arithmetic sequence. So, the common difference of letter D is negative 6. Now, punta tayo sa geometric sequence. Dito naman sa geometric sequence, makuha naman natin ang common ratio. So, dapat pare-pareho sila ng common ratio. Kung gagamitan natin ito ng common difference, magkakaiba. So, ibig sabihin, pag nagsusubtract tayo, iba-iba siya. So, hindi siya arithmetic. So, pag geometric naman, dapat pare-pareho siya pag i-divide natin ang second to the first sa kanyang preceding, and then third minus the second, and third divide by second, and fourth divide by third. So, 12 divided by 4 is 3, 36 divided by 12 is 3. 108 divided by 36 is 3. So therefore, ang ating common ratio is equal to 3. Yan. Kaya siya naging geometric. How about this one? So negative 15 divided by negative 3 is positive 5. And then negative 75 divided by negative 15 is positive 5. So negative 375 divided by negative 75 is also positive 5. So ang ating common ratio dito ay positive 5. Now, how about this one? So 10 divided by negative 20, so that is negative 1 half. Then negative 5 divided by 10, so ganito lang yan. 10 divided by negative 20, so lowest term lang natin yan. So positive and negative is negative. Then lowest term natin yan, that is 1 half. Then ito naman, so negative 5 divided by 10. So negative and positive is also negative. And then 5 over 10, lowest term lang natin, that is also 1 half. And then 5 over 2 divided by negative 5. So positive and negative is equal to negative. And then, kagaya ng ginawa natin, KCF. So, ano ulit ang KCF? That is keep, change, flip. So, keep, ganun pa rin yung 5 over 2. So, 5 over 2. And then, since divide yan, times na siya. And then, i-flip natin kasi ito naman ay may denominator na 1. So, that is times 1/5. Then, cancel this out. So, may 1 tayo dyan, may 1 tayo dito. So, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. And then, 2 times 1 is 2. And then, meron tayong negative. Kaya sa naging negative 1 half. Kaya para sila ng negative 1 half. So, therefore, ang ating common ratio is negative 1 half. How about letter D? So, letter D, 1/6 divide by 1 half. So, gamitan natin ang KCF. So, that is 1 over 6, keep, change, and then flip. So, that is 2 over 6. Then, lowest term natin yan, or equal to 1/3. So, dapat 1/3 din ito. Pag hindi yan 1/3, hindi siya geometric. So, try natin. 1 over 18 divide by 1 over 6. And then, by KCF, so that is 1 over 18 times 6 over 1. So that is equal to 1 times 6, numerator to numerator, denominator by denominator, so 6 over 18. Or, lowest term, 1/3. And then, the last one, 1 over 54 divide by 1 over 18. Then, KCF, keep, change, flip, 1 over 54 times 18 over 1. So, that is equal to 18 over 54. Or, lowest term is 1/3. So, ang ating common ratio dito ay positive 1/3. So, ganun lang. Okay, now, punta tayo sa let's study. So, sequences are functions. So, the domain consists of the natural numbers. So, alam na natin to sa mga pinagdaanan nating lesson na ang domain natin ay consists of the natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, infinitely. So, papunta siya kung hanggang ilan man yung ating term. And the range consists of the terms of the sequence. So, ito naman yung mga terms, yung range natin. So, the form of arithmetic sequence are linear functions, while geometric sequence are exponential functions. So, sabihin, pag arithmetic sequence, pag i-graph daw natin yan, isa siyang linear. So, para siyang straight line. And then, pag geometric naman, exponential function siya. So, para siyang curve. na paakyat or pababa. So therefore, ang arithmetic sequence is a function whose domain is a set of counting numbers. The elements of the range are the terms of the sequence, and geometric sequence is a function whose domain is the set of counting numbers also, and the elements of the range are the terms of the sequence. So kung mapansin natin, parang pareho lang sila ng kanilang, ang dapat nating alalahanin. Pagkaiba lang nila yung kanilang common difference sa arithmetic sequence. Sa geometric sequence naman ay common ratio, at ang kanyang graph sa arithmetic sequence ay linear siya dito, and then sa geometric sequence naman ay exponential. Okay, so yan ang kanyang i-graph natin siya. So now, punta tayo sa ating examples. Find the common difference of the terms of the arithmetic sequence 8, 5, 2, negative 1, negative 4, then graph the sequence. So, since this is arithmetic, dapat makuha natin ang kanyang common difference. So, 5 minus 8 is negative 3. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. So, ang ating common difference ay negative 3. So, lahat yan ay pare-parehong negative 3. So, negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3, and negative 4 minus negative 1 is also negative 3. So, ang ating common difference ay negative 3. So, kung i-graph down natin yan, maging ganito siya. Sa table of values natin, so alam natin na ang ating domain is a set of counting numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 infinitely. And then, ito naman yung terms natin. So, ang term natin ay, ito yun, 8, 5, 2, negative 1, and negative 4. So, isulat natin yan. So, 8, 5, 2, negative 1, and negative 4. And then, the ellipsis or 3 dots indicates that the given arithmetic sequence is an infinite sequence. Ibig sabihin, tuloy-tuloy siya. Kasi infinite. Hindi natin alam kung ilan. The coordinates of some of the points are, so pag gawin natin siyang coordinates, so maging 1, 8, 2, 5, 3, 2, 4, negative 1, and 5, negative 4. So pag i-point natin yan sa coordinate system, isa siyang linear. So that is a straight line. Kasi 1, ito yung 1 niya positive 1, and then ang y niya ay positive 8. And then ang ano naman, pangalawa is 2 and 5 and so on. So kung connect natin yan, that is a straight line. So ganun lang ang arithmetic sequence. Napunta naman tayo sa geometric. So find the common ratio of the terms of geometric sequence. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So dito makuha naman natin ang common ratio. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So, ang ating common ratio ay 2. Kasi makuha natin yan. Hindi mo naman kailangan na lahat tapusin mo. Basta makuha lang natin yan. Pero, pag hindi natin alam na geometric yan, dapat alam natin, isa-isay natin na dapat pare-pareho sila. Now, paano naman natin i-graph yan? So, pag i-graph naman natin yan, so again, ang ating domain is counting numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 infinitely. Kasi hanggang 5 lang naman yung ating terms. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So yan ang ating terms. So hanggang 5 lang ang ating domain. At ito naman yung ating range. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So the ellipsis dots indicates that a given geometric sequence is an infinite sequence. So, pag kukunin natin yung coordinates of some of the points, so 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 5, 16. So, the graph is shown below. So, ito yung graph niya. So, pag i-point natin yun sa ating coordinate system, 1 to 1, and then 2, 2, and then 3, 4, 4, 8, and then 5, 16. So, mapansin natin sa siyang curve. So, ang curve natin na yan ay tinatawag natin na exponential curve. Ganun lang. Yan ang kaibahan ng geometric at arithmetic sequence. Okay, punta na tayo sa ating let's practice.